Hello everyone, this video is for you. It's a daily video that tells you what zone we're in, what basic weekly plan we're working on, and reminds you of your routines. Take a look, you'll see that these three things are here. There may be some other things in there that may or may not relate to the time of year, but that's okay. Enjoy. Hello Fly Babies, it's me, your FlyLady Kat, and I'm here today to give you peace in your life, control in your home, and to help you learn how to finally love yourself. Today is Thursday, and it is Zone 2, the kitchen. And we are working on our routines, our basic weekly plan, and our zone work. So here's how we're doing it. If you are an at-home fly baby, you're going to start with your morning routine. You're going to do your routine and then your children's routine, followed by your laundry and your paper routine. And then you're going to look and see what the basic weekly plan is for today. On Thursday, it's errand day. So you're going to take care of your groceries and any other errands. I know there are lots of them this time of year. And then when you get back, you're going to jump right into your zone, which is in the kitchen, and work for 10 to 15 minutes, depending on whether you're going to declutter, which is 15 minutes, or just work in the kitchen, which is 10 minutes, okay? And that's it. Now, if you are a payroll fly baby, you're going to do your routine and then go to work. When you get home, you're going to start your laundry, go through your paper, and then get your breakfast, your dinner started. And then after your dinner is simmering away or holding on the stove, then you're going to work in your kitchen for a few minutes. 10 minutes if you're going to just deep clean one thing, or 15 minutes if you're going to declutter. I am going to say in most cases, not all, you will have been able to take care of your errands from work. So maybe on your way to work, your way home from work, some of those errands could be taken care of, or perhaps you're doing things through Amazon or online in some other way for the holidays, and maybe you've ordered your groceries to be picked up later, or you pick them up on your way home from work. So really no errands when you get home from work, because there's not a lot of time left to do that. Okay, so that's it for today. It's just a regular day, and I know you can do this. I do. And I want you to look at your planner and make sure it fits in. You're going to be doing 3 clutter checks, one right after breakfast, one when you get home from work or after lunch if you're staying home, and one right after dinner. Those clutter checks are to prevent new clutter from accumulating on the areas you've just recently decluttered. There's no judgment, there is no meanness, there's no yelling at the kids or berating yourself or others. This is mindless clutter that you don't do on purpose. That's why you're checking it, because you're breaking a habit and you're helping your children break their habit. Being kind and being understanding and cleaning it up 3 times a day will keep it from being overwhelming. Okay, the other thing that we're going to do is you're going to check your planner tonight and make sure that it is looking good for the rest of the week, that you know what's going to happen tomorrow. Don't think too much about the future, just think about tomorrow, but make sure all the days are planned out. Tomorrow is going to be your car and purse day, so that's an easy day. If you're going to work, make sure you have a couple of empty Walmart bags or whatever with you, so you can take care of that in a few minutes on your break or on your lunch hour if you have one. Okay. Next is our before bed routine. So you're going to put the kids to bed first and then put yourself to bed. But you might want to do your routine, your before bed routine, before the children if you're tired. You still can't go to bed before them. So your routine, let's go over it real quick. Your routine is making sure that your children have done their before bed routine, which includes picking up their toys, taking a bath, getting themselves ready for bed, getting their PJs on, their clothes in the laundry, cleaning the bathroom up, leaving it the way they found it by hanging up their towel, picking out a book, and going to bed. Now, you might add a couple of more things, not too many, like put their shoes by the front door, or make sure that their homework is in their backpack by the front door, those kinds of things. Feed the dog, little things, not too many. Don't overwhelm anyone. You don't like to be overwhelmed, don't overwhelm your children. All right, then you're going to do your before bed routine, which includes wiping out your sink, making sure it looks nice and shiny. You don't have to scrub it. I spray mine with a little Mrs. Meyer's, wipe it with a towel, take that towel to the laundry, and hang out a new fresh towel for tomorrow. I turn on my dishwasher, which has soap in it. The kitchen looks nice. I close the curtains or the blinds. Make sure everything's unplugged, the tree's turned off, all the little twinkle lights are unplugged. I go upstairs, close the blinds upstairs, get myself ready for bed, make sure my clothes are laid out for tomorrow, and my dirty clothes are put in the laundry, or clean clothes are hung up and spotted if there's a spot on them. I have a fantastic idea that one of my fly babies told me today, because she was having an issue with that, and she went to the Container Store and bought a disc to put on the rod in her closet that separates the clothes that she's worn from the clothes that she considers ultra clean from the maybe clean. And you know, your clothes are really clean once they're worn, but she wants to know the difference, you know, because she was just piling them on a chair and that wasn't working for her or me. So now she's hanging them up, and so she can say, you know, I wore those jeans before. These jeans haven't been worn before. So these jeans I can wear today because I'm not going anywhere special. You know, these slacks haven't been worn. I prefer to wear them to this, that, or the other. So that's what she does, and that's a good idea. I thought I'd share it. All right, so lay out your clothes. Look at your planner, see what's up for tomorrow, and make sure you've got, maybe you forgot to lay something out for dinner tomorrow night. Go take that out of the freezer and stick it in the fridge. Then come back and get in bed on time. That's it for today. Have a fabulous day, and always remember that you are beautiful. I hope you enjoyed that, and I know that you're going to have a great time in your house today. Remember to focus on getting it done first, fast, make it fun, and get it finished. Complete the process, and don't let those little things bug you that you see that are for future dates. Use your planner, and always remember that you are beautiful.